Today I am going to show weight loss expert Chad experience. After 25 plus years and 87,329 pounds lost, legendary weight loss expert Chad Tackett finally breaks his silence to reveal the little-known nutrient synthesis tweak that helped Ginger lose 42 pounds in 90 days and keep it off for over 5 years and counting. And for a limited time you can finally discover his 25-plus year secret without paying his expensive coaching fee. It seems like a lifetime ago that I was so overweight, I could hardly get up my own steps. I'm now in my 50s and in the best shape of my life, thanks to you. Ginger's pale lips trembled as she took a slow, deep breath and held back an avalanche of joyful tears. She had been overweight since she was in her 20s, and since then she had tried dozens of different diets. Weight Watchers, Jenny Craig, Nutrisystem, Atkins, Keto, Paleo, and many more. You name it, she tried it. Nothing. She tried nutritionists. She followed their strict, regimented, complicated plans to the T. Nothing. She tried grueling workouts that lasted well over an hour daily. She pushed through the pain, soreness and fatigue because her personal trainer told her it was necessary to get into great shape. Nothing. She rode the weight loss roller coaster for 30 years. Each time she'd lose a few pounds, then rebound and gain it all back plus a few extra pounds, just to kick her while she was down. Over and over and over she failed, her confidence shattering with each new diet that didn't work. Angry that she let herself go. Guilty for being overweight and out of shape for her spouse. Ashamed to have pictures taken because she felt fat and ugly. Afraid that her loved ones were embarrassed of her. And sick of feeling disgusted with herself when she looked in the mirror. Until one day she stumbled upon an unusual, counterintuitive secret I call nutrient synthesis, which changed everything for her. In fact, this new nutrient synthesis discovery has already changed the lives of over 10,000 people, helping them lose 87,329 pounds without giving up their favorite foods or feeling hungry all day, without intense exercises, leaving them feeling worn down and weak, without constantly battling cravings or hitting plateaus after just a few short weeks. In a moment, I'll explain exactly what Ginger discovered and why it worked so well for her when nothing else did. I'll also show you the real reason weight loss plateaus happen and how to avoid them. How to recalibrate your metabolism to permanent fat-burning mode by avoiding one key mistake most diets make. The one little known secret to preventing your body from storing excess fat, even if you overeat, and so much more. What I'm about to share is why people from all across the world, women and men of all ages, are finally seeing results when nothing else worked for them. Those are just a few of the 10,129 people who are now enjoying flat bellies, unbreakable confidence, more energy than they've had in years, and feel like they finally have their life back. But the best part is they did this in a way that was sustainable. These folks didn't lose the weight and then gained it back just a few weeks later. They kept it off for years, just like Ginger. Let me introduce myself. I'm Chad Tackett and I've helped my clients lose well over 87,329 pounds of fat. And you can do too. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below and start your journey with me. Thanks for watching my video and please like and subscribe.